You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this movie and vampire, essentially. This is a name originally from, you've guessed it, Romanian. Yes, Transylvania is in today's Romania. So the name itself is Romanian. The Romanian pronunciation and how you can say it in English, Nosferatu. Nosferatu is how it's pronounced in Romanian. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is quite similar as Nosferatu. Nosferatu. How to pronounce Nosferatu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.